Hi, I'm Dr. Nikhil Shenoy, founder of the IQT. This is a short video to show you how to install Advantage and to highlight some of its benefits. Once you've downloaded Advantage, open MT4's data folder. Move the installation file from the download location to the MT4 folder. Double-click on the installer, enter your license key, and agree to the download. Note that you can copy the installer to all your versions of MT4 if you use multiple brokers, but you will need an additional license key for each extra installation. You can check that Advantage is installed by going into MT4 and running one of the IQT example strategies. In the Experts tab of the terminal pane, you will see messages containing the terms loaded successfully and then after that initialized. The major benefit of Advantage is that it simplifies your code, enabling you to write up to 85% less code for more advanced strategies. On the left, we have the Advantage implementation of a simple moving average crossover strategy. On the right, we have the standard implementation. The number of lines of code you need to modify in the Advantage implementation is 36. This is more than 4 times less than writing a strategy from scratch, or adapting the standard implementation, which has 145 lines. The code you need to modify in the Advantage implementation is clearly labeled. Other benefits of Advantage are that it enables trailing stop losses and take profits, and it can hide these from brokers, enabling scalping. Finally, we can't see your code. Your intellectual property is protected. So Advantage is a way of helping you to implement strategies without risking your IP with external developers. Further help with Advantage is in the guide. There is also an extended installation video below this one. Thanks, and I hope to see you in a demo call soon.